Do, 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 do. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Welcome everyone. Alright, up and running. Cool, wicked. Morning everyone and YouTube, let's get this going. So just doing Instagram, get it all ready. So beautiful Monday morning. So today is a bank holiday for NY, so that's fine. So NY session I won't be taking part in because there'll be no volume, which is completely fine. But yeah, let's get this up and running over here. So let's see, do this Instagram over here, and then we can start to analyze, see where trades we could get. Wow, looks like GJ ran off nicely over here. So I talked about this in the weekly outlook. We actually closed above over here, so nice clean candles. Ran 100 pips. Holy shit. Okay, so let's just get this over here. Morning up. I already snapped a buy 24 pips. I wish you guys a powerful stream today. Beautiful. I think people in my chat have been talking about these buys. Damn. We are live now on YouTube. Make sure to come and join the squad. We talk about GJ buys and gold and GA as well, so make sure to come on, guys. Alright, okay, beautiful. So let's take a look at the higher time frame over here for GJ. So I can see here, very simple, we are very bullish. We've closed above the resistance which we've been holding, which is here. We closed above in this candle on Friday, and now we should continue, which is what it did. Exactly what I said last night on the outlook, which is great. So taking a look at the daily, very bullish, as we expect. Beautiful 4 hour, bullish as well. Very nice. So it looks like the last one didn't have much of a bottom wick. That's fine. Okay. Let's take a look at the hourlies. Wow, let's look at the hourlies, trending nicely. So you can see each hourly here, oh shit, each hourly has not exceeded the low of the previous, so very good price action over here. You can see right here, very nice price action for us. So looking at the lower time frames, looks like we did make support around about this time over here at 153.585. Okay. So we made support over here, blasted off, had resistance, closed above, and then it's continued. Let's look at the 15-minute. Oh, just made support over here at 7:15. Nice. Okay, we had a little resistance right here as well, which is broken above, and now it looks like we are making some support. 875 over here. Tasty. Stream's bugging up. Oh, it's back. Okay, great. So let's take a look towards the left over here, see where our zones are. Let's take a look at the hourly over here. Okay, wow, delicious. So coming towards our little resistance zone, let's just see. Right in this area, which is tasty, okay. So right around this area is a bit of resistance, which is a bit annoying, okay. But we are highly bullish, which is completely good. And hopefully you can continue to get the buys. But what's the thing to do over here? We've ran up a shitload already, right? I mean, if you look at the 4 hour candles over here, we have ran over a lot. Doesn't mean we can't run over even more. It's just what are the possible ways to get in. For me, I think the only way to get in now is wait for the 25 minutes to close for the hourly, and then wait for lower wicks to continue. So let's take a look at the daily and try to see where we're coming towards. So it looks like this is kind of the main resistance next, which is 60 pips away, which is pretty nice, to be honest. I do see there's little wicks over here, so to the left hand side we've got some wicks in this little zone which you could reject off, but for the main resistance that we have is up all the way up here, which is pretty nice. So I'll be looking to get some buys for sure. It's just hard to get in. So let's take a look what happened with Asian started around about this area, just bullish, just straight bullish the whole time. Let's see at like 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock, try get in. 7 o'clock here, yeah, nothing much really that you could get in for London. Morning Zeki, morning. Make sure you go like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. So first of all, you know, we're coming towards some resistance that I found before. I'm probably gonna be looking for buys if you do exceed these highs over here. But as I said, I do want to kind of wait for the hourly to close. I think if I waited for the hourly, it'll give me a lot better, you know, confirmation, because we're making the low wicks of the hourly to then continue. I do like how this 15-minute over here made support. So if we got into this trade over here, exceeding the highest stop loss below, yeah, would have made 10 pips. Nice. So that was pretty decent over here, because the 30-minute was just, oh, the 30-minute closed bearish though, so it's a bit annoying. So yeah, I'm gonna have to wait on GJ a bit longer for the close at London. Let's take a look at gold over here. Wow, 27 viewers were flying in over here. Wow, so it looks like gold over here kind of playing. So I said last night that the weekly time frame was rejecting these highs again, making new resistances. So you can see right here. So this is where support was. Now it says resistance. So we should potentially head down over here, fill these wicks, and it continue down to these lows over here. So I am quite bearish for gold, especially with this resistance in the weekly. Like, that's pretty nice. This daily candle here was because of news, but looks like it could come back down and close pretty nicely over here. So I think sells are gonna be pretty decent. The area right here, you can see it just wick in over here, so it's quite a big liquidity area, this. So basically what I mean is price comes over here and always comes back out. So we do need to be careful. So if you look on the lower time frames, this is around about, yeah, 1750 levels. So you can look at the hourly. Yeah, so if you look in and zoom, let's look at the 30-minute. We do have some resistance and some support at this point in time, but it does look pretty good to continue down over here. Let's take a look. Yeah, 1754. Let's take a look at the 4 hour and the daily. So the daily is bearish over here. Okay. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. 4 hours bearish as well. So this is looking pretty good for me, to be honest. And I'm quite liking the look of it. It's just how to get in now. So let's look at the 1 hour 30-minute. Yes, this is looking pretty nice. To be honest, if we get this hourly closure around about this area, 1753, that's going to be looking pretty good. Morning Oliver, can you check out NZD? I'm in sales. Can you send me a chart please, and then I'll take a look. I'm not going to be looking at every chart that people sends me. So yeah, I'm going to be waiting for closures below this zone, or round about this area, and if we do make the top wick for the hourly and then exceeding, and hopefully we have like a nice 20 pip stop, I think this could be a really good trade over here. So I'm going to put this as green. So sells, sells below 1754.6. Oh no, sorry, 53.960. I think that'd be really nice. A closure below would be decent for me. We've got a nice wick to fill over here. Wick to fill is here as well. So how far would that be? Yeah, 20 pips. It's quite nice. Looks like we are coming down here already. Tasty. So this 15-minute, I mean, over here, it's got 5 minutes left. I may actually come and get this 15-minute closure, because if we do get in the 15-minute, I can have a 20 pip stop just on the 15 over here, and I expect price of volume to push down. Yeah, My only issue is that this zone is, but because we've got a lot of volume coming in over here, I think we should break and start to fill these zones. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hours looking pretty good. Starting to leave the area. The daily has already exceeded the low and it's quite bearish. The weekly is already coming bearish. So looking pretty good over here, guys. So let's get it. If you guys are new here, make sure to follow and subscribe. All that good stuff over here. But let's see people filling in on the Zoom. Yeah, we've got a lot of people in over here. So 5 minutes time I'm going to be waiting. Let's take a look how long it's got left for the 30-minute. Yeah, I think that's good enough time, to be honest. So beautiful. I'm going to be waiting 5 more minutes to try and get a trade. So if we do get into a trade over here, what my TP is going to be? Well, if you get in around about this area, 1754, around about that, then this is TP1. TP1. But I'm really wanting this 50-minute candle to close right about this area, then wait the top wick and exceed. That would be good confirmation. If not, I'm going to have to wait for the hourly, which is completely fine. This would be TP2 over here. Okay. And then if we do start to come down, the TP3 is going to be at these lows over here. Beautiful. Nice, nice, nice. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. We've got our targets over here. I do think this can be quite nice, especially with this candle over here only being like 20 pips. It's not too bad. You know, I am paying attention that there is a lot of zones over here, but if we do get this closure for the 15, that will be pretty tasty. Around about this area I'm wanting. That will be looking pretty nice over here. I'm going to check just Discord in a second, guys. People in Telegram as well, make sure to send me some charts over here. Let's see if you guys have already. Nope. Make sure you send some charts in that you're looking for. Let me take a look at GJ again. Yeah, it's looking pretty good over here. But for me, I kind of want to wait for this hourly lower wick to form, and then I can look for trades again. So let's just take a look on the 4 hour. 4 hour will give me more indication. Yeah, so we do have a little resistance over here, which is fine, but we should continue up for sure. Looking pretty decent. I'm going to check GBP AUD as well, because that's a pair that I've been paper trading for a while, and I do actually rate it, so we'll start to be introducing then trades very, very soon. I may actually start it next week. Next week. So daily time frame over here. Look, daily time frame bullish. Okay, okay, okay. So we know it kind of made support when we came back to these lows over here on the higher time frames. Let's take a look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour pulled back down to the zone right about in this area. Can you see these big wicks? These big wicks are rejecting the lows, okay? So these are sometimes called hammerhead candles. So they're rejecting the lows. Oh, that beautiful brew in the morning. Yes. You can see it's very, very choppy though, which is completely fine. But I'm going to be waiting, looking for some zones to be breaking. So let's take a look at this 15-minute. Oh. So what I can see is, you know, I can see easily we have resistance right around this area. That's completely fine. So making that look nicely, we also had resistance over here. So this is going to be a pretty good break line. If we do break above here, it's going to be pretty nice to continue. A bit higher as well as actually 4 hour resistance. So that could be pretty promising over here if you do get the closure. To then continue and ride it up. But I'll have to see where it closes over here. Let's take a look at the hourly. Yeah, so it's quite choppy. But yeah, I think sells are going to be pretty tasty when we come back down to the lows again. But you know, there's a lot of wicks and stuff. So kind of this area closes below. All the higher time frames will be in our bias then, so it'll be looking pretty nice. So yeah, sells below here are going to be looking pretty tasty. Let's take a look at gold over here. Oh wow. So look, gold 15-minute time frame came all the way back up over here. So no closure. So the closure that I was looking for over here was this, like that one. Next one to make a top wick, and then to drive down, hit TP1, and then next one to continue over here with a runner, and yeah. So I might have to wait for the 30-minute time frame now, which is completely fine. And so yeah. Did you take GJ Celery? No, I did not take GJ yet. I like this support forming, so this looks exactly like this over here, but it's just on the lower time frames over here. So this one over here. So we kind of broke at this time right here, came back down with one candle, closed back up, confirmation, rejecting the zone over here, and then run it back up. So very, very tasty over here. I think that was a good setup. I think getting in a bit earlier, like 6:30, you know, you would have got tapped out here. So you know, there's not really much trades you could have got into in GJ. So don't worry about it. This was an Asian move, clearly. But you know, if you don't trade Asian, that's fine. Just leave it. There was a 30-minute serial play. Yeah, here. Or here. And we're getting into 30-minute serial play on this one over here. Would be a 13 pip stop. And we don't know how far it's going to run up yet. It's a lot easier to wait for support to form over here, because then you kind of have a direction. For me, I have my eyes locked a bit more on gold over here. I think if a lot of volume comes in, we could be good. Let's take a look at Forex Factory. We know it is a US bank holiday today, so try not to trade NY session today, because it'll just be low volume and a pain in the ass. So no bank holiday news, no nothing, so it's a very, very clean day today, which is pretty fire. Happy about that, I want some of the Zoom squad to put some cameras on. If you guys have cameras on and stuff and you're vibing, make sure you put it on. I can whack you on the stream, that'd be pretty cool. So yeah, nothing really much over here. I'm going to be waiting for this golden thing. I really, really do think there's potential for gold sales over here, especially with this hourly closure. Make the top wick and it'll start to fly. Should be good. Wicked. Good morning, Michael. Good morning. If you guys do have any charts to send, make sure to send them for me in here. That would really help out. Let's take a look at Discord then. Discord. Let's take a look. So we've got some discussion over here. We've got the CAD JPY. Oh, that's a bit like what GJ just did before. Low wick formed at the support. That could be good. Close at 0.8%. Ooh, that's a shame. CAD JPY. Well, you know, the issue is you've traded CAD when CAD's closed and JPY's closed. So I don't know what you expect over there, but you know, try and use your common sense. You know, do you really need to take a CAD JPY at London session? Because I don't. Wow, so this is GJ on the 1 minute. Holy shit, some guy. This is a lower time frame order block. Nice. Entry weak bearish candle close at the retest of the 4-hour pullback. Looks like that was pretty nice over here. So you got a nice 7 pip stop loss for a 15 pip gain, basically 40 pip gain. Pretty decent. Now let's take a look for Charles Creek Brown. Done for morning. Beautiful. So yeah, that was breaking the highs. Pretty nice over here. 4-hour zone. Tapping 154 over here. That's pretty decent. Beautiful. So that was early on this morning. Damn. Really, really nice. You know, strong candles over here. Not much bottom wick and top wicks, but just very, very strong candles. And that's pretty fire. Pretty fire. Let's take a look. Oh, this is your JPY. Looks like you're in a trade over here. It just did the lower wick at this time. So I wonder how far it pushed up. Oh, it nearly hit 10 pips. But yeah, as long as it doesn't exceed the low over here, should be pretty good to continue for sure. So look at this, another strong hourly. So what I'm really wanting for GJ is to make a nice strong hourly low wick over here. So then continue and flip exceed, and I'll get in a buy when we exceed the highs. Stop loss below, because this will be a good option. I want the confirmation we're still bullish by making the low wick, and then to continue. I think that'll be really, really nice over here. That'll be fire. This week I'm going to be doing a YouTube video. I got some new equipment for cameras and stuff, so that was pretty cool. And I'm going to be filming a YouTube video about magic keys, showing you, like, I'm just going to review it and show you how to set it up and all that kind of stuff, and that'll help a lot of people out. That'll be pretty fire. Wow, 22 likes, guys. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure to do so. We are waiting for some trades over here, patiently, very, very patiently. So I want this hourly to close, preferably below this zone over here, to continue some sells over here. Looking pretty tasty. So let me just what's it called? My God, man, the fuck is this? Why is Telegram being weird? Oh my God. Charts for stream. Let's take another look again. So GJ. So this is on the hourly time frame. Buys above closures at 154,200. Okay, so you look left, you found the resistance. Option: wait for some bearish candle support formation and further drive up. Yeah, that's what I'm probably looking for, to be honest. Don't you think GJ should form some correction after this long bullish move? Never underestimate GJ and try to take a sell with the correction. You have to wait. At the moment, everything's bullish, so there's nothing. You're trying to predict the market. You know, you're never going to win that. You have to wait for candles to close and show that. It could potentially happen, but there's no point guessing. Just wait until it happens. Because I'm telling you, if GJ wants to run, it can run. I've seen GJ run 300 pips in a day with no break. It just does it the whole time. So you have to be, you know, disciplined in that and just take it on the chin over here. Why can't I fucking put this small over here? It's fucking pissing me off. Okay, Telegram's be weird. I just think there's really good potential for gold trades over here. Wow, GJ is not GJ. Telegram has been very annoying over here, so I'm gonna have to. How the fuck do I even write on this? Right, I'm gonna have to do it on my phone. Yeah, GJ could keep running the way it is. Yeah, that's true, Jay. Very true over here. But that's fine. I kind of want to wait for the pullback for sure at the 8 o'clock, and then hopefully we can continue. But for me, I'm going to be looking for gold over here. $23 likes to the stream, amazing. Charter stream, one more for gold, Max. Okay. Yeah, looks pretty good over here. Nice clean zone as well. Like an 8 pip zone over here. Not 8 pip, 6 pip zone. I think that's pretty solid, to be honest. Amazing. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going to be focusing really nicely on gold over here. 46 likes in this bitch. Not 46 likes, 24 likes. Let's try and get that up, guys. Let's try and hit 50 likes before 8 o'clock. 8 more minutes left. Hopefully we get some fire trade over here. I'm going to be posting a recap for my trade. Our NY session last week. It was pretty fire over here. I'll show you what it was. Where the fuck was it? Somewhere for sure, because I saved it. NY session 2. I think it was this one. Was it this one? Anyway, it's pretty cool. We got into a 0 drawdown trade, literally instantly in profit. But just before the news, didn't have enough volume to start pushing it. Okay, this is looking pretty good over here. So we're starting to come down. Me gusta. So let's take a look. Where's it gold? Okay. I'm just writing this in Telegram just to get ready for a certain setup maybe that we could potentially get. So, you know, all time frames are very bearish over here. I'm liking the way we close. As long as we close below kind of like 1754.5, it's looking pretty good. So 1751.01 is looking pretty good over here. 1751, beautiful. And 1747, sorry. Beautiful. So let's take a look at my magic keys, just getting them all ready for a certain trade, maybe over here. Let's look at the hourly now. Yeah, hourly's looking pretty good over here. Let's look at the 4 hour. Yeah, it's looking pretty nice. For real, for real. So let's have a look. Move this there, move this there. Nice. So closures around the zone are going to be molto bene. I'm going to start to record as well, just so if we're ready, I can take it. Yeah, like the stream, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it. 52 viewers for the London Open. Let's go. Let's go. So 4 hour all this bullish, very very nice. I'm liking the weekly, to be honest. The weekly's a thing that's really really tempting me. We're rejecting these highs over here, so where should price fall? We should start to fill these wicks over here. Looking pretty good. GJ is going to be closing in a second over here, which is good. Let's look at the 5 minutes. Yeah, starting to make some resistance at this time over here at the highs. That's completely fine. Ooh, look at that rejection. So it looks like GA came all the way up over here and rejected. So yeah, GA is a bit choked right now, which is completely fine. Completely fine, boy. So London volume could be pretty good for some sells over here. So if I got into a trade in the hourly, you know, a 30 minute, let's just say, and we close over here. Yeah, 14 pips. That don't look too bad, to be honest. That don't look too bad. Pretty good over here. Charts for stream. Beautiful. Yeah, so this update I think I'm going to be doing this weekend, so that'll be pretty cool. We'll have some more gaming channels, have some crypto in there. We'll make it pretty cool. Some crypto. I want to see how the crypto is looking actually today. I need to check that out. The crypto boys. But yeah, wait for this closure over here. Looking pretty tasty. 15 minute. Yeah. And what I'm wanting is a nice bottom wick to form, and then the drive down. If I got in right now over here, so let's take a look at the 15 minutes. If you get a close over here and just got it on the high, yeah, 16 pip stop, well, not too bad. Are you looking for 30 minute closure or hourly? It's both the same. It's kind of just around this area over here. So I prefer it a bit stronger, so kind of like this. So a 15 and a 30, right about this area. Then to continue down, because we're closing below support over here. And then driving it down with the London volume over here. That's what I'll be looking for in 2 minutes 48 seconds time. And yeah, tasty. We'll see. We shall see. We shall see. So GJ in the 15 minute over here is starting to lose a bit of volume, which is fine. The hourly is still closing very very bullish though, which is pretty tasty. And the one thing I need to wait for is just wait for this kind of to close. Hopefully make the lower wick in the first 15 minutes or 30 minutes and then start launching. Then I could possibly take a trade. I kind of want it to relax over here. And I do have a little resistance at this zone at this time, so is that right on it? Let's take a look over here. Let's take a look over here. Yeah, so I mean I am looking for buys above, but I'm waiting for the lower wick to potentially do. And if it does run off straight away, that's fine. So yeah, I'm going to be looking for buys above. Don't you worry about that. But I'm going to be waiting patiently for the closure. Closure. Oh, gold over here is just chilling. Hasn't bring the big volume in yet, which is fine. 28 likes in the stream, amazing guys. Let's try and get them likes up as well to gain a new audience. When we get like loads of people, oh my god, I could do giveaways nearly every stream and stuff. That would be fucking sick. Like, imagine that, giveaways every stream. That would be sick, man. After every single thing, spin a wheel. So if you get them likes up, the more chance we can do that, and that'd be pretty sick. Like giveaways, I like that giveaway. So the last, if people are new here, we did a giveaway Magic Keys. We did get like 4-way. It was fucking sick. So that's why I've put one for the Telegram. So if you're in the mentorship group, when we hit 35 subscribers over here, I'm giving away 100+ giveaway to one lucky member. So you could just get double your money back, which is pretty fire. So for me, this candle isn't closing the way I'd want to be honest, which is not the best. So yeah, look at the hourly. Hourly's kind of respecting this zone over here, so not the best for gold. GGA is still closing very, very bullish. Let's look at the 15 though. 15 is closing bearish. It's fine, completely fine. Let's take a look over here. So now it's the way of measuring stop losses and all that good stuff is what you need to do. So let's move this. So it's starting to reject now, which is fine. As we said, we kind of want to wait for support anyway to form over here. But look, the hourly has closed right now, which is great. Has made a little lower wick, but for me, I'm going to be waiting for a nice bigger lower wick over here, right around this area. If you do exceed this high though, this could be quite a good impulse entry. What a cracking lad, always giving back. Like this bitch. Yeah, boy, like this street, boy. So I mean, not closures, but I mean, impulses could be pretty decent, exceeding these highs in the 30-minute. Look at this, the hourly's making a low wick now, so it's looking pretty good. Targets are going to be pretty decent as well, so first target's going to be around about this area over here. So you can see we already have made a bottom wick, which is nice. Not TP1 over here. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. Oh, I mean, if we do exceed the highs right at this time, it's going to be quite a big stop loss. That is the only issue I'm trying to have over here. The way to get in, pretty darn hard, because 13 pip stop. But it does look like it's going to be running off over here. Right, I think I'm going to take a position over here. Very, very soon. If you do exceed this high, I think there's enough volume for me to come. So I'm not in it yet, but I have activated a buy stop over here. Wait. There we go. So this is kind of an impulsive one for me, but I like the fact that we are pushing off already. We have made the lower wick over here. My targets over here are pretty good. So unfortunately I couldn't put this on the Telegram because it's very, very quick. But yeah, I'm in this trade right now. So let's take a look over here. So stop loss for me is going to be managed very, very nicely if we do start coming and flipping this candle back again. I do think there's enough momentum and volume to start pushing this bitch up over here. So yeah, let's see over here. This is the first impulse entry of for a long time for me, but I like how we're already pushing, exceeding the highs over here. So yeah, we'll have to chill. So let's take a look. Yeah. Beautiful. So you know, I only take impulse entries. You guys know this when I have volume, which is London Open over here. A lot easier to take a trade. And if it goes tits up, that's fine, but it's with good volume over here. So let's take a look at the 30-minute now. Nice. Okay. So even though we have run off well already, I still think that price could make some nice gains over here. And because you have big zones to fill already, it's quite good potential. I'm liking it for sure. So yeah, beautiful. 968. Okay. 154. Nice. Okay. So what actual price did I get in over here? Yeah, 82, pretty decent over here. So I actually got in 82, there we go, nice. So yeah, my stop is actually only 11, 12 pips, that's really not bad at all. And I do think with the volume, We have some really solid volume over here. You know, don't be worried about taking these trades even though we've had, you know, a lot of bullish pressure already. We've already made the bottom wick. It's volume time. We should potentially push this up, which would be nice over here. Is there a reason why pound is so strong today? Probably. There probably should be some news about it. For sure. We could check it in a second. So how am I going to manage risk? I think if we do start flipping this candle over here, I may take some off over here. Let's take a look. I might give it a bit more room though, to be honest. Let's take a look. So if we do start coming back to 980, I think I'm going to take off 50% at this time. Take off. Beautiful, because we're coming back down the zone. I wouldn't want that. I want it to start launching now. Give me some nice bullish momentum over here. So I think that'll be pretty decent. 0.964 over here. 10 pips. So TP1 over here is going to be hit pretty soon over here. And that's how you do it, guys. So TP2, I'm going to have it at 500 level, which is going to be pretty solid. So at this time, guys, now we're coming towards it. I'm going to be doing a break even over here. Break even trade. Beautiful. I'm going to wait a little bit longer, and then hopefully we can get the break even trade. Fine, but we finally broke the highs over here. We should potentially continue. So still going to manage risk over here. 50% I'm going to cut off if we do start. I'm actually going to put it on here now if we do flip the candle. I don't really want it to come back there. So that'll be at 6 pips. I'll be closing off half, which is pretty good risk management, if you ask me. So yeah, that's how we do it. So close half at 154.018, because this is why, you know, if a candle's flipping now bearish, why would I want to keep on this trade? That would be very silly to do. So you have to manage it perfectly, just like that. And yeah, so all I'm doing is looking how to get out of this trade, how to manage my risk, because that is the only thing you can control, guys. It's the only thing you can control. You can't control anything else. You have to manage the trade. So even though it's looking good in your favor, this could easily reverse. So that's good. So right at this time, very soon over here, I'm going to put my stop loss to break even. If you do come any higher, I'm going to put my stops to break even over here. I'm going to give this 5 minute a little bit more. So if this 5 minute over here closes back over here, I'm going to put my stops to break even if I'm in any profit. I want it to push hard over here. Come on, boy. You can do it. You could do it. We've got bullish pressure over here, looking very good. We should continue. But yeah, as I said here, when we do flip this candle, I'm going to be taking off. So this is the salary play basically on the 15 minute. We should continue though. 30 minute hourly looking nice. So yeah, very tasty, very easy morning as usual, guys. Giving it a little more breathing room because I do think that this bullish pressure is very good. It's just taking its time over here to continue. If you guys are new here and like the stream, guys, make sure to follow me for sure. Really solid. Come on, 30 minute. Give me some volume in this bitch. Come on, boy. What vape do you use, bro? What the flavor or what brand? This is Schmuck. I quite like Schmuck. It's quite cool. Pretty decent. Look at the 5 minute closing in a minute's time. Not too bad. Looking pretty good over here. But yeah, as I said, I'm still managing risk over here. So, you know, I'm going to be taking a -6 pip loss over here, and then the rest here is going to be like a -7. So very happy with that a loss if it does come, and then obviously if you start blasting off with the hourly, could be still nice. So yeah, that's what you got to do. 72 people in this bitch. Amazing, guys. Beautiful. Still in this trade. Hopefully you can start running off and hit TP1 and get a nice clap on the back. No, I've got no. So beautiful. Up 5 pips. Come on, give me that more push over here. Come on, let's go, let's go. So at this time now, do I really want to come and take a break-even trade? Not a break-even, a loss trade? No. So let's put my stop loss to break-even, guys. I would put your stop loss to break-even. Beautiful. Make it a risk-free trade over here. So beautiful. So the worst outcome we have right now is a risk-free trade. So there we go over here, risk-free. And we should continue to TP1 over here, guys, and we'll get a great smile on our faces, hopefully. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on, GJ. You could do it. You could do it, GJ. I believe in you. I believe in you, GJ. We've got the 5-minute closure above over here. Let's go. TP1 hit. Let's go. Let's go. Holy smokes. I got my money up. Beautiful, guys. There we go. There we go. That's what you got to do, guys. That's what you got to do. Beautiful. So hope you guys enjoyed that trade over here. Now I'm going to be running another 20%. So there we go. W in this chat, guys, if you did call that trade. Beautiful. If you did catch that trade, sorry, with me. So you can see, very, very simple. Just wait for the closures. We're up 13 pips now. A W in the chat, guys. Let's spam the like button. Now, come on. If you haven't given me a like already, what are you guys doing? Give me a like, boy. W's in the chat. We just got a 12-13 pip trade on GJ over here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. If you guys haven't joined the stream, what are you guys doing? It's free education, man. Let's go. So there we go, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. And now we should continue over here. I've got a nice runner on, which I really think there's good potential, which I'm going to be holding on for quite a while over here. Yes, boys. W in the chat. Let's go. Right, I'm gonna put another celebrate one, but at the moment I've got this one. There we go. There we go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Right. So now I've got a runner on as well. Beautiful. So let's just update it on YouTube over here. So trades call. We got GJ buy plus 13 pips. I actually closed mine at 13. Got my nice little run on over here, which might get stopped out of a sec. Beautiful, very, very tasty. Good, guys. Let's go, let's go. Very, very tasty. Hopefully the runner can stay on. If not, then what a shame. What a shame. Looks like it probably won over here. Rejecting quite hard. So look at the 5-minute now. Moving down. Jeez. But we hit our TP1. That's all we care about, boy. So very, very decent over here. Simple trade. Keep it easy. In and out. Shake it all about. We took barely any drawdown, really. That's what you want to do. But I was always thinking about how to manage my risk, how to get out over here, and that's the way to do it, guys. That's how you have to do it. You have to always look at how to get out of the trade over here. So yeah, beautiful, beautiful. If you guys haven't liked the stream, what are you guys doing, man? Let's get 100 likes in this bitch. Come on, everyone in this stream, make sure you like the stream if you caught that trade, man. If you catch that trade or learn something from that trade. So very, very easy. You know, the hourly was making a bottom wick over here. The 30-minute made a bottom wick in the first time. I know there's a lot of volume, so if you do exceed the highs over here, it's going to have enough volume to start pushing 10 pips, and that's what it did. Now it's coming back down over here, and the reason why we collect 10 pips is because we know, this is an example over here, we do run like about 10 to 12 pips, and then we slow down. So like, in most times trades go to 10 pips and then they get hit out of break even. So that's why we always take some positions off at 10 pips over here. Tap resistance, yeah. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So a beautiful W in the chat for a lovely Monday morning over here. Start the week off nicely. 48 likes in this bitch. Let's go. Let's go. Make sure you guys to tag me on Instagram as well if you guys caught that trade. I always repost everyone that tags me on Instagram. My Instagram I'll put here if you guys are new over here. I haven't heard the subscriber button go yet, man. No one's new over here. Just the loyal ones. But if you guys are new over here. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. Thank you, Jason Ma, for subscribing to the channel. Amazing. Thank you very, very much. 66 viewers, beautiful. So very, very simple trade. Oh, looks like we're coming down over here. Look at gold as well. Okay. A win and still a warm coffee. Yeah, man. My runner's gonna get tapped out over here. Yeah, my runner got tapped out. Beautiful. Beautiful. So very, very easy trade over here. Very, very easy trade. Beautiful. So in, out, shake it all about. That's what you gotta do, man. Beautiful. So for me, I'm still looking for gold over here. Let's take a look at the 30-minute and the 15s. Yeah, they're looking not too bad, but I'm wanting a stronger confirmation. I want a closure around about this area. Because you can see these last 15 minutes have tapped the zone and then rejected. So I want to wait patiently. Bro, I just got stopped out in GU. Oh, you got stopped out in GU? Let's take a look at GU over here. Send me a chart on what trade you got in. And a wins level 1 coffee. Yeah, man. If you guys, make sure you do follow me on Instagram as well. I post a lot of stuff in there. Let's take a look at GBP USD. You got stopped out? What, just now? Were you in a buy? Billy Willy. Can you send me a chart, please? Because for me, if you just got stopped out here, I'm assuming you were in a buy at this time. If you've had two 15-minute bearish candles, should have been taking some risk off over here. It's very, very hard to take risk off, guys, but you need to be able to do it. You know, you're not taught. Sorry, your human side. You shouldn't be taking risk either. You know, you want to win. You don't want to take a loss off, but you have to really manage your trades because that is the way to be successful. I'm telling you. You know, like the times where I just couldn't take it off and just had to hold the stop loss, man, it just reduces your winners. It's just a pain in the ass. You can't do it, man. Also, very, very soon, I am going to be doing a review on the funded talent still, because I still think there is opportunity to take it. Even though they did a bad thing with Elite Challenges, I still think there's a good option to use it, for sure. Especially that new one. But yeah, I am a bit pissed off with them about that, but I'm still going to give them a review. But to be honest, I think FTMO and others need to come clean as well, because they're all bullshitting, really. They're all bullshit. So GBP AUD over here is starting to gain some huge momentum. So let's see how it could have got in over here. I mean, 50-minute closure, but it is right at the support. So for me, I think proper sells are going to be nice when we do close below this zone, 1.86. Because if we do get the closure, it's confirming, and the hourly will be bearish. The 4-hour will be coming and passing their 4-hour support. So I think that's going to be pretty fire over here. 52 likes, amazing, guys. Amazing. If you guys did learn something today, yeah, please give it a like. It really does help me out over here. Beautiful dub in the chat, and you can see now GJ rejecting the highs over here. 5 minutes coming down, so beautiful. It's straight in and out. Very, very tasty on GJ. Let's take a look at news for tomorrow. Pretty good, 7 AM. Nice. 7 AM work, pretty decent over here. Wow, 12 people in the chat as well as Zoom, beautiful. Max, did you take my Forex Fund challenge? No, I didn't actually. I've only used Fund and Talent. I haven't used any of the ones, and now I don't need to because I got my own funds. But I still want to do a review because I still think that you can use them to your advantage if you can trade properly, for sure. So yeah. So still making a low wick in the 15 over here, but the last 5 minute did close pretty bearish. So you know, the best thing to do now is wait for this. So what I'm going to be waiting for, and I'm actually going to post one of these pictures on Instagram and basically go through it. So what I'm going to be waiting for is a setup like this now. Let's take a look over here. This one. So let me show you over here this candle. Right, so this trade that we just took can be represented as this. Okay, so it kind of closures above. Oh, sorry, it was the Saria play. So another setup over here. I'll show you what it kind of was, but it wasn't in a zone anyway. So it was kind of this, just breaking zones, nice, right? Now, what are you gonna do now? Between 9:30 and 11:30, it normally retraces like this. So hopefully we get some candles that do this over here. So come down, they just relax over here. Where resistance and support was before, it'll probably make some support over here. And then between 11:30, when we start to get volume again for NY, so, oh, it's not NY, but if this is a normal day, then NY would bring us some volume over here, get a closure. This is showing that's making support. Wait for the low wick of the next one, exceed the high over here, right at this point, and ride that bitch back up, and then runners which would continue to look like this. So very, very simple. Did you build your 30k account from Funded Talent? Yes. Not all of it, but yeah, a lot of it. The rest of it came from trading, my other account as well, but also like other stuff, like for example my IC markets. The commissions helped a lot. All the commissions that I put in there I whacked into there, so just saving up basically. Just saving up. Wow, 55 likes in this bitch, amazing. So yeah, that's the thing that you need to look for GJ over here. Wow, so look at the gold over here. It's really holding this zone, showing deep like support at this time, because we're coming down, tapping these zones again and rejecting nearly every time. Damn, son. Damn, boy. Let me just take this recording off of OBS so I can just easier to edit over here. There we go. You're trading NY Max, really nice trade by the way. No, we're not trading NY today because there's no volume because it's bank holiday, so no NY trades today. What lot were you using in Funded Talent? So I was using the 25k account, and I use a 3.5 lot for it for GJ, and then I used a 1.5 for gold. That was my happy like medium for trades, but yeah, don't worry about like that's all about your personal, how much you think is pretty good. Yeah, didn't think so, not worth it. Yeah, exactly. You know, if you backtest the bank holiday days, there's just not enough volume. You can still get a trade, but you'd be there for hours, and trades take a long time. You know, I want to be in and out snappy. Plus, we already got a dub. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, boy. We got our dub already, man. If you guys are like new here as well, and you guys like have some trader friends, make sure like share it in chat and stuff for the streams. I do it all the time, and as I said, I'm going to be doing a Funded Talent review soon, and also a Magic Keys review of the on-screen one over here, which I give away quite a lot. If you guys do want to buy some Magic Keys, you can use my discount code, which is MXT10 for 10% off. It's literally like $25. It's nothing. And it helps a shitload over here. Like, it literally saves me. It is very, very good. I rate it a lot. And I might try and show you how to like connect it to your what's it called? Your terminal, because a lot of people get confused with that, which is mad. So 4-hour time frame. Let's take a look over here. Where am I wanting it to kind of close above? Preferably around about this area, because we do have resistance at the 4-hour here and here. But you can see the structure that we're in now. We're actually starting to get out of this, fugazi over here. 154 is a perfect, price starting to leave this zone. So you can see we have been in this zone since, yeah, like July's. Now we're popping back out again, starting to come. And we should start to come and exceed these highs very, very soon. You can see we have just tapped this little zone over here. We've still got quite a bit to fill it up. Still got like 40 pips over here. But if we do get a break and close above, wow, nice clean candles. So that'll be pretty solid for sure. I'm very, very looking forward to that. So yeah, this week as well, what am I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna be watching the new Venom movie. Oh yes, I'm such a fat nerd. I just love shit like that. In IMAX. Oh yeah, I'm a proper cinema goer. Like me and Caitlin, my girlfriend, literally go every week. It's just great. The last one we saw was the James Bond one. Let's take a look at what the reviews was now. I thought it was good. Some people said they didn't really like it, but I liked it. Yeah, 7.6 on IMDb isn't bad at all. It's quite a good rating. I rated it. Let's see what Venom 2. Apparently this one was a bit rushed, the storyline, but apparently it was fun. Yeah, 6.5, so not the best. That's fair. I'll be looking for some in-ear headphones, and I think I'm gonna buy these Bad Lads soon. Oh, because I've got the headphone ones. Oh my god, why does it bring up this all the time? Fuck's sake. It's called Sony WH. No, not WH. WF. This one. These ones over here, yeah. Cause I've got the headset, but at the moment, like, I just have headsets on all day, and it's killing me. Like, it's fucking annoying. Laugh me out loud. So I kind of want the in-ear ones to try. But if you guys want some noise cancelling headphones, these are the goats. I'm telling you, they're fucking sexy as hell. Really, really advise looking into them for sure. Oh yeah, straight after the James Bond movie as well, I was like, mate, I want to go on Aston Martin website, man. Like every time, get AirPods. Yeah, the AirPod Pros, they're alright, but they're not as good. They're not as good as they're. Like, I know they're not. Like, I've seen the reviews. The only reason I'd get the AirPods is because they're linked to my phone. But I want, like, I've done the AirPod Pros. I don't know. The normal AirPods, they don't fit like the ones that are wired. You know, like normal AirPods. Like they don't fit me. They didn't fit my ears. So like, I'm kind of worried that they don't fit my ears, which is a bit annoying. Why is this not working over here? Why are you not working, boy? Yeah, so GJ, goal over here, you know, I'm patient, I'm waiting for the closures below, but if you don't get them, that's fine. The only reason I took an impulse on GJ is because we were exceeding the high, the hourlies, the 50 minutes, the 30 minutes with strong bullish closures. So, you know, never be careful, never be, you know, put off about taking a trade if everything's in the right direction. A nice 15-minute salary play was delicious for me. All you have to do now is wait for the resistance to come, and then it should be pretty good over here. Wow, it looks like it's working over here. Well, I forgot about the race, the F1. I need to take a look over here. Smaller lot size for an impulse entry, potentially if you wanted to, but you've seen here the only times I take impulses is at London Open, so you know I'm kind of happy with that, to be honest. Not too bothered. But yeah, if it's all about your risk. If you wanted to take that for sure. Oh, I haven't even seen this 296 yet. These are looking so much better now. They've actually done pretty nicely. The cheap one, which the Roma over here, and the Portofino, I've actually seen these in real life. This Portofino is actually pretty decent. I actually rate it. It's really, really beautiful car. Yeah, I like it. It's a lot better than the California 3D experience. What? Loading 3D configurator. Yeah, I think by the time I'm like 25, I'll probably have one of these Bad Lads. But the thing is, for me, I'm not a fucking retard. I don't finance things. No, my dad would not let me do that shit. He'd tell me the way to properly do it over here. So you know, all the cars that I buy, I own, because you know what happens over here. It's just kind of selfish as well. You know, if you have a car over here and you know. You for some reason you have some issues in work or whatever, you still got some liabilities over here, so it isn't the best, to be honest. So you know, owning everything is really, really good. It's safe, even like houses and shit. Like, I just think it's a risky business if you have to finance everything. So, and that's just from words from my dad. You know, my dad's very much, he owns everything he's got. He doesn't have any finance problems. So, for example, if he like unfortunately passed away tomorrow, I wouldn't have like fucking 3 Ferrari garages and Lambo garages ringing up like, oh, you owe us money or you owe us this car back. Like, it's just a bit of a risky thing over here. But the proper way to do it, if you guys are interested, especially if you're in the UK, if you want to like afford a car like this, is buy rental properties, do them up, give it HMOs, and then the HMOs you can pay. So you can finance cars nicely over here, but you have to use the money to make you money. So you can't just finance it if you're using a job, like if you're just using your job to pay for it. If you use it with a house for stuff, helps a lot. Bro, check Suzuki Jimmy. Oh yeah, apparently these are these are quite popular in London, and apparently they're sold out everywhere because they're like mini G-wagons. Yeah, I heard like they're like 10 grand of things. If you know anything about money, you wouldn't buy a Ferrari. Very, very true. All of my dad. Well, I mean, no. If you've got money, then you can, but helps in different ways. You know, you need to treat yourself as well, but doing it in a manner where it doesn't affect you is, you know, you can do that over here. Example, waiting for them second hand, get a good mechanic with you, and that saves you a shitload of money. Because what financing doing is you're basically paying off the depreciation, and then the F12 TDF for me, yeah, my dad's mate got one of them, a nice yellow one. It's gorgeous. Last naturally aspirated one, which is pretty good for me. That looks like a big toy. I like it. It looks sick. I want to look at the interior. Let's have a look over here. Let's take a look. Pretty kitted out. Yeah, that's cool. I like that. It's got like it looks like a Land Rover Defender. It's got like just quite aggressive. I like it. It's pretty cool. Yeah, look, it's got like a G-Wagon boot. That's sick, that. I bet that's wicked in town. Do you know what I still rate? And I just find them like just funny. I like smart cars, like just the tiny ones, like the tiny. Apparently, if you see their crash testers, the crash tests like pretty decent because their shell is like really like strong over here. So even though it's got not much impact force, the shell's pretty good. I bet that in London's like just fucking great. Getting a parking space. You can't even park anywhere in London anyway, so. So yeah, look now, starting to get some barcodes over here. No trading status for GJ now. You're gonna have to wait until his resistance forms over here. 30-minute did still close bullish, which is fine. Still could continue over here. GBP AUD is going down, which is mad. So let's take a look at 8 o'clock. So yeah, 8 o'clock just made a top wick and then just started launching. Accelerated play on the 30-minute over here. 15-minute closed bearish. Oh my god, my nose again, man. So 30-minute exceeding the lows over here. If you took a celery play, expecting volume, yeah, it could be pretty nice. The only thing issue is the hourly closed bullish before. Oh my god. Ah. I need some hay fever tablets. I don't even have hay fever. I'm definitely allergic to some shit in this room. Like, oh my god, I'm dying. I'm dying, boy. So this week, on the mentorship group, I'm going to be doing a simulation as well. We're putting that in the chat, and also a webinar. So if you guys are interested in helping and joining the squad, I do NY streams as well. I do NY trades. Make sure to join, especially if you've got like a £2,000 account or something. You know, paying like £50 a month and taking one of my trades is just gonna pay it off over here. Why is everyone being ill for like 3 months? I was alright, and then I don't know. It's just life in it. No run for number GJ. No run. There should be no runners. My runner got stopped out at break even, my man. My runner got stopped out at break even. which is completely fine. 58 likes, amazing, guys. If you have learned something in the stream, amazing stuff, and make sure to share it to your friends. If you've got like discords, like finance discords, make sure to share it. It really does help me out. And as I said again, if you guys are on Instagram and you have like your own like trading Instagram or whatever, any Instagram, make sure to just send a video and like say you're on the stream and then tag me in it, and I'll repost it. I really want to engage a bit more on Instagram. Also, I'm going to be doing this, right? I think I'm going to be doing a Instagram giveaway. So if you guys, I'm going to post a Instagram, maybe today actually. I might do it today. And I'm going to be drawing a someone in the comments. So actually, yeah, I'm going to say that now. So guys, I'm going to be posting a video, picture today. It's going to be on setup. I'm probably going to do the picture on this one, okay? I want to do it for people, members on this. So, it's going to be about support for me. It's going to be about this one, and I'm going to talk about how this is normally London. This is normally between London and NY, and this is NY. So every comment, but you can't be like a silly comment. It can't just be like a fucking letter. Like just say, "Oh, great analysis" or "good setup," or anything like fire setups or whatever. Then I'll put you all guys in a hat. And then I'm going to draw it, and then whoever does that wins the Magic Keys online version, okay? So that's going to be done today. I really want you guys to, you know, if you guys do need Magic Keys, and just come in and comment. And I want to get commenting up. I think commenting for me is my weak point in Instagram. Not only people comment on my videos, so I kind of want to get that up. My stories, and not my stories, my posts. So yeah, if you guys do want the Magic Keys, then when I post this video, make sure to come and comment on it. Gets me engagement and stuff like that, so it helps me out. So yeah, Magic Keys on screen. If you guys do want it, make sure to do that. So I want to be getting the giveaways up, so the more people like the streams and stuff I can give away, because the more people that like directly affects more people that will put some recommending, then more people come, I get more ad revenue, and then more ad revenue I can spend on you guys. So because I don't need the ad revenue, especially at this time, it's not too much, but it's enough for me to, you know, give away stuff for you. So that's why I always ask you guys to like the stream, because it gives me more money to play with for you guys. And as I said, all of the mentorship money that I've been making, so people are like, oh, he's gonna make loads of money on this. I just bought my camera to film YouTube videos in, so, and that was £600. So, and then the lens was 300 as well. So I've spent literally all of the money from my mentorship on reinvesting, buying more equipment for YouTube and stuff like that. So I hope you guys are happy with all that stuff. So let's take a look over here. Yeah, rejecting these highs now. So as we talked about before, I talked about on the last webinar we did in the chat, which was candlesticks. You can see this one over here starting to reject. A bit of a doji candle, shows indecision. Normally we do start to push down over here. Far A, can you send me a chart please, and I'll take a look at GBP CAD for sure. For sure, I will be able to show you that. Let's take a look at Discord over here. Also, I think I'm going to be playing some CSGO today, so if people want to play some CS, make sure to come in this gaming channel. I'll post it soon. Play some CSGO with me. Show you how it's done, man. The moment I'm popping off on CS, like I'm like screaming down the mic at these people. I'm like, fucking. I keep getting put into a lobby with a bunch of silvers, and oh my god, it's painful to watch. Oh yeah, and then the new game I'm gonna get is this bad lad, I think. Because I just wanna like vibe, like I think at night time. So Forza Horizon 5, I think it comes out in November. Yeah, November the 9th. I'm gonna get it. It looks pretty fun. I've never actually had a Forza game before, so kind of want to try it. Alright, don't get out. Kind of want to try the Forza Horizon game for sure. Forza looks mint, yeah, man. And like I've got my new monitor as well. The monitor's gonna be, oh, it's gonna be delicious. I was thinking now, does anyone know if you can buy like graphics cards now? Like, you know, like I was lucky enough to get it at a web a place, but can I just go online now and just can I just buy like a 3070? Oh, they've got a 3070 Ti now. Oh my god. Can I like buy it from the website? Yeah, I know. Oh, oh, out of stock still. Damn. Waited 4 months. Oh my god. That's mad. So GBP USD over here, it is rejecting these highs, and you know, let's just do a bit more analysis over here. So you can see there was resistance at this time. So if it just closed back in this zone over here, it should continue down to fill this range. GBP AUD as well. It is going to close below over here. It's just going to look pretty nice. So in 90 minutes time, to see if you get the closure below. Wow, so GJ is really starting to push down now, starting to reject these highs over here. Beautiful. So we got our trade and we were out, boy. Mic's too far. Alright, sorry. So very, very tasty. So what time is it now? 8:40. Beautiful. I still think there's some good moves on GBP AUD over here if you do get the closure in 90 minutes time. First time here, well done, really educational. Beautiful, thank you. Hope you subscribe, my man. Thank you very much. Yeah, man, I do this every single day, man. We just chill here, get our trade, and then book off. What pairs do you normally trade, please? GJ and gold, because I learnt from Mr. Raja Banks, and that's what he did, and that's what I've been looking at for the past 2 years. So, but I'm bringing GBP AUD in very, very soon. I think next week I'm going to start to trade it, because at the moment there's some nice options for me to trade it. So look, if this hourly closes like this, makes the top wick and then drives down, oh my god. Oh my god. It's going to be looking tasty. 62 likes, amazing guys, amazing squad. I can't wait until we hit 100 like concurrent, like everyone just sits on 100, that'll be sick. But yeah, I'm going to be waiting for closures over here to look pretty good. But yeah, remember what I said about the Instagram. I could do a video thing today for sure. If you guys are in desperate need of magic keys, which you should be having, man. Magic keys are fire. Simples. So the unemployment rate on GBP is going to be interesting, and then at 8 o'clock we'll get the volume to push it, which is good. GBPUSD coming down to all. Oh my god! So what's happening now over here? Let's just take this off because we're not in this trade anymore. So it looks like we're coming down now. What we're going to do, we're going to be flipping the 4 hour over here, showing really signs of bearish structure over here. So what am I looking for buy, for sells over here? Now that is a very, very important question, but for me, the daily time frame is too bullish to take any sells, because yeah, it's just too bullish. It's just making a pull down to then drive it back up. Probably the NY session, even though there is no session because it's a bank holiday. So yeah, bank holiday, just chill, man. We already got our trade today. We've got a beautiful 13 pips on it. Very, very tasty. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I've seen you guys are starting to tag me in posts already. Beautiful, guys. Thank you very, very much. That helps me out a lot. Beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, gold over here is what I looked for at the start, and it looked like a great confirmation to start to come down, but never started to close below, so that's completely fine. I can't take a trade if there's no proper setups for me, which are the setups with the beautiful setups like here, or these bad lads. Look, so today was a salary play, beautiful. Even though this is outside the range, it was still exceeding the highs I entered. Same here. Yeah, but these are all the setups I take. If you go back on my Instagram and look at like the trades, these are mainly what I take. Very, very easy, simple trades to take, which happen always at some times of the day. It's pretty decent. let's take a look, Kevin, over here. So if you guys in Zoom do want to come on and speak a bit more and to put your cameras on, I want to make it a bit more social, you guys. I want you to put your cameras on if you can, and we can chill in here, over here. So let's take a look at Kevin. So this, what time was this at? 7:59. Beautiful. To wait for retest support to be formed at 15:27. Oh, 27 for buys. Beautiful. And we got this trade nicely over here. So wait for the retest and support. So you wait for the lower wick to form, which was very, very nice. And then the push up. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Beautiful.
Yeah.
GP1 hit. Let's go. Let's go. Very, very easy. Simple, simples. Keep it simple, man. So look at this GBP/USD over here. We're going to be closing back in the zone. Where should the zone fill? It should fill all the way back up to the lows over here, and then to continue further. Wow, so that was a big trade. You can see the 50-minute over here closed on support, so or just a little bit below, which is fine. But yeah, for me, sells on GG, they could work, but they're against higher time frames, so it could be a lot harder to take the trade for sure. GBP AUD over here is starting to fly over here. Damn, son. So 15-minute did close below. Needs to wait for a top wick, but for me, the hourly will be a bit better for me. EJ. Let's take a look at AJ. Euro JPY over here. So, fresh analysis over here. Let's look at the daily time frame. Oh, so daily is coming towards to some daily resistance over here. Let's take a look. So daily flip, 4 hour. So what am I gonna say here? What am I gonna say? The daily time frame is bullish. The 4 hour is bullish. Now, if we do get a closure on the 4 hour in an hour's time above this zone over here, that is going to be great confirmation to continue. But at the moment, we haven't closed above, so you need to be careful here. It's going to be a lot better if we just wait for this candle to close over here. Let's take a look at lower time frames. Yeah, so not the best volume. For me, I think you're going to have to wait a bit longer. Let's take a look at how you could have maybe have got in, okay? So this candle closure at 6:30 over here is pretty nice. 7 o'clock to run off. I think that was quite a nice zone to take a trade. Let's see how far it's ran over here. See, so EJ is just very, very, not a lot of volume over here. And look at the lower wicks, which probably tapped your run route over here. So not the best volume on the Euro JPY. Not the best volume over here. That's completely fine. Let's take a look at GJ. Yeah, 15-minute is making the top wick. If it does start coming and flipping, could be quite nice. But yeah. GC GP CAD flipping on 50-minute. Yep, can you send me a chart, please? And then I'll have a look. Just gonna go to the toilet 1 second there, guys. GA bleed though, yeah, man. GA is bleeding. I mean, oh god. I mean, if this does flip over here, it could be quite a good potential. But higher time frames are saying otherwise, so therefore you can't take it really. And this, the only time frame you have with you is the hourly, really. But getting in without that is quite scary over here.
Hello, man.
Hello, man. How you doing?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. I think will be great if more of us will turn on the camera.
Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah.
I can't right now. I can't right now and all the time because I'm working at the same time.
Yeah. I think a lot of people are, to be fair. Don't worry about it. It's just if people could, if they had an option
Yeah,
to
will
do
be
it.
more social.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I see your boys on here, but yeah, that's fine. Don't worry about it. We'll definitely do that, my man.
Yeah.
Beautiful. There's my boy. Hey. Oh, I got this. Oh, there we go. Yeah. So tomorrow we can put this the cameras on. That would be pretty cool. Learning session starts in how much time?
Yeah, will be cool.
Yeah, my boy. Learning session's already started. It starts at 8 o'clock UK time. And yeah, starts already. So if you want to look at, I'll just get up the time zones. Stocky. Oh no, I didn't mean that. So this is that's definitely not in GMT. This is GMT. So 8 o'clock we start. New York starts at 1 o'clock over here. So yeah, this is why this is the best time to trade, because they overlap and it's nice good volume. Asian session, garbage and boring. So yeah. So 30 minutes time, this 8 minutes candle has to close over here. We'll have to see. But that 5 minute over here, 5 minutes giving me horrendous vibes. Wow, GPAUD over here flew. Oh my god. That shit bleeding, boy. Like a lot, man. This is pretty good. Coming towards this next 4 hours daily support over here. So yeah, the past couple of days GBP/AUD has been in this range. It's been fucking garbage. It's pissing me right off. If you still want some buds, I think GBL is good and is much cheaper. JBL. Yeah, JBL has been a good brand as well. That's true. That is very, very true. Skull candies, yeah. So I mean, people over here, if you want to be risky and take a sell, it could be a good option, to be honest. Look at the 5 minute. Yeah. So you'd have a 10 pip stop for 28 pip gain. Damn, son. But that would be a risky move. 67 likes, amazing guys. Let's try and get to 70 likes. That'd be beautiful for the start of the week stream for sure. Start of the week. Just like that button if you guys are just sitting here vibing. Just vibing, straight vibing. After our beautiful win over here. So yeah, a lot of volume. GPAUD. Now the thing is, you know, the next top wick needs to be pretty decent. Probably gonna tap this zone over here and see how it reacts. Because what it'll do is, if it does tap this zone and then come back in, then it could be a fake out. But if you tap the zone then start flipping, that's good confirmation you're leaving this zone to continue to the next one. So that could be a good option. For sure, for sure. Oh wow, look at that. Come back up over here. Damn. Damn. I want to look on Amazon and get some like trading. I just like little trading items for desk. Wait, let's see, Forex. Oh, the bull, that's pretty cool. The New York Stock Exchange bull. I want some like art and stuff, I think. That's what I want. I want a ticker. Can you buy a Forex ticker? I think it's called a ticker. Yeah, I swear I saw on Instagram like a ticker. I'd love that. That'd be pretty cool. Like here, the luminous one. 69 likes in this bitch. Amazing, guys. Amazing. We smashed it today. Smashed it as usual. Thing is though, like, definitely go back and watch the recap if you did miss it and you came late, because it'll show risk management. It'll show all that good stuff. Because what I did was I wanted to manage my risk at some time, and then it finally happened. And we didn't have to manage risk, it just flew to our TP. Very, very nice. So yeah, gold is definitely holding the zone over here. Very, very much so. So for me, I think gold is going to be looking pretty choppy for the time being. Look at the price action over here now. The 4 hour, it was pretty bearish, was looking nice, but now it came back up over here, flipping the daily nearly, which is a bit of a pain in the arsehole. That's completely valid. I still think GJ over here could be very, very tasty for some continued buys later on. But we know between 9 o'clock, 9:30, you know, volume does start to die down. So we'd have to just relax until more volume comes in later on. Do 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 do. Isn't bank holiday as well like Canada? Yeah. I think NY session is going to be dead. Yeah, it is. That's why I'm leaving it today. Yeah, I'm not going to be trading NY. I'm going to have a day off, which is going to be fun. But yeah, there's no point in getting into trades like that because, you know, there could be some setups, but if you just backtest bank holiday days, so you could literally just go online, go what are bank holidays, and then go to their sessions and then just see. You just scroll back over here, and you can see if it was the volume for you or not. For me, it just isn't. You know, the trades I like being in or in, like I'm in the trades for maybe like 10 minutes. Like these trades can take hours. Like, oh, it's a pain in the ass, man. Just leave it. Leave this session, boy. But yeah, people in the chat over here, I'm going to be doing simulation on GJ again. I think I might do last October. So that'll be posted this week at some point, which would be pretty cool. I think it'll range for a while. A good buy is pre-NY when 30-minute candle closed above to fill a range. Yeah, but the thing is though, is there enough volume then? I don't think so. So for me, just have a nice relaxing day. You've already done a London trade with me. We've already smashed it. We've already got our trade. We've already made 1% or 1.4%. I actually made 1.2% today. And then you just go for the next day. And just rinse, repeat. Rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. So how many subscribers are we on as well now, guys? Oh, mate. 5k subscribers are going to be sick. I'm going to be very, very happy with that. That's going to be fire. Let's take a look over here. 1.11. Damn, son. Let's take a look. Yeah, 1.11. Beautiful. Beautiful. So only 111 people have joined us when we hit 1,000. That's mad. That's a lot of people. That is a lot of people, man. But yeah, I'm patiently waiting until tomorrow now. And that's all you gotta do, man. Rinse, repeat. Rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat, rinse, repeat. Today I'm gonna be finally doing some workout because I've been slacking on that. My working out's been horrendous. Which is not the best over here. So watch time looking pretty good again. 3,600 viewers now. So it's starting to come up even more. But as I said, guys, make sure to share me in chats or send me your mates links to come and follow me and come and join the fun. And if you guys are interested in NY sessions over here, make sure to join the mentorship. That's not all that comes in. There's so much that comes on, but you guys know the score. You guys know the score of that. So now gold over here is pushing up, flipping the daily time frame. You can see now gold is very, very short. I wouldn't want to touch that at all. GJ over here is just playing. It made a little support, but we know volume dies off at this time. So for me, there's no trade setups, which is completely fine. Completely fine. So GBP AUD has closed below. Nice. As long as it makes a top wick over here and flips, you guys could take some trades over here. I might actually wait until this happens later on and may try to take one. 15-minute over here did close quite weak though, which is a bit annoying. But apart from that, pretty good. Yeah, 71 likes, amazing guys. If you have learned something in the stream today, make sure to like the stream. Bash that like button, boy. Bash that like button. We got 12 pips on GJ as usual, man. Very, very simple trade. Very, very easy. Good to manage. Just too easy, man. Too easy, boy. Yeah, when we hit like 5,000 subscribers over here, that's gonna be pinnacle over here. It's gonna be pretty fire. And if you guys haven't followed my Instagram is there. Then that bot has just put it in. Go follow Instagram. I'm gonna post a lot of stuff today as well. And yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys, now because there's nothing much going on anymore. But it has been an amazing stream. We got our trade. We're in, we out, we shake it all about, and we don't take trades for NY because it is a bank holiday. So leave it the fuck alone, okay? So thank you very much, guys. Make sure you like the stream before you leave, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, the same time, same setups, same execution, same trades, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one, guys. So peace out. Thank you very much.